Welcome to the tutorial on how to add Adsense to a Blogger blog. We're going to add two Adsense blocks to our blog. One on the left, which is a narrow tower, and a large rectangle at the top of the blog, between the title and the content down below. It's going to appear on the main page as well as on the individual pages of each blog post. So let's talk about why we chose that layout. If you go to howtomakeonlinemoney.com with dashes in between each of the words, and you look for the blog post called Blend Your Adsense Ads, you'll see a heat map graphic. And that heat map comes directly from Google, and it tells you where the ads are going to get the most traffic. So if your primary content is in the middle, right above it, dead center, is going to get the most amount of clicks. And then above and to the left is the next highest amount, along with directly below the content at the bottom of the page. Notice that on the left you have more traffic than on the right, which is why we're going to put the tower ad on the left and not down below on the right. Now to get started, we're going to just go directly to blogger.com. Now it helps if you already have a Gmail account or Google account. You can use that address and password to log directly into Blogger. If you don't have one, I recommend you create one along with your Adsense account ahead of time. So you'll sign into Blogger. I've got a few blogs already here, but you'll find the Create a Blog button. You're going to name your blog. Keep in mind that you're going to use keywords in your blog title, because that's going to appear every time someone searches for something on your blog. And then you're going to pick a URL address, and I like to use the same keywords with dashes in between. You can check the availability. If it's not available, it'll let you know, and then you can make some minor adjustments. In this case, I'm just replacing the word in with the word for, and we'll go from there. It's available, so enter the CAPTCHA text, and we'll go to the next page. Now the template we're going to choose is the Minima template, and we're just going to go on from there, and your blog is done. You've already got it created. You can start blogging. To blog, you're going to enter a post title, my first post, blah blah blah. You're going to enter the text, and you can enter some tags if you want to enter some tags that'll help with some keywords later, and publish your post. And you are done. You've got your first post. You can go look at your blog, and there it is. Adsense in Blogger is the name of the blog. You've got your post title. And at this point, we're going to customize it. We're going to pick a new template, and we're going to go for the Minima Lefty template. And that's going to be the exact same template, only it's going to switch the toolbar to the left side instead of the right side based on that heat map we saw. We want the ad to appear on the left, not on the right. So by choosing the new template, you get that layout. We're going to start by adding the tower ad to this left navigation block. So we go to Customize, we're on the Layout tab at the Page Elements option, and you'll see where we can add elements to the page. We're going to add a page element on the top left side, and it gives you a bunch of choices, and you'll notice that one of them is Adsense. Now this is assuming you already have an Adsense account and an Adsense pub ID. You're going to hit that Add to the Blog, and it brings up several options for you: the format, size, and the colors. Down here is where you'd put your pub ID for the first time. It's stored mine already. So we're going to choose the vertical banner, and you can see it kind of picks some colors that match your site, but we're going to blend it a little bit better. We're going to set a white border, white background, make the text look the same, and the title look the same color as the blue links, so people might think that it's a link to click on. And you can see what that looks like, and hit save, and then save your blog, and you can take a look at it and see how it shows up on the left. It's very important that we've blended the colors so that the color of the title matches the color of links on the page, and that the text matches the text. Now for the top box, we're going to go to Adsense, and you should have an Adsense account already set up, of course. You're going to go to the Adsense Setup tab, Get Ads. You're going to choose Adsense for Content. We're going to use an ad unit. We're going to leave it as text and image default. For the format, we're going to choose the large rectangle 336 by 280. And then for the colors, we're going to match them just like we did for the other ad block. Now when it comes to matching the colors, if you don't remember what they were, you can go back to your Blogger, hit Customize, edit the Adsense page element, and you can see all the codes, the hex codes there for the border, background, text, title, and URL. And you can switch back to your Google page and set those values here to match what you already have on your page. When you're done matching the colors, hit Continue, and here you can add a channel which will help you track the clicks that come through. I'm not going to do that today. We'll just continue through that. You can give your unit a name, and then you're going to hit Submit and get code. Now at this point your code looks like it's ready to copy and paste, but for Blogger we're going to have to make one more change. So go ahead and copy this to your clipboard and we'll edit it correctly. What we're going to do is go back to how to make online money, and we're going to go to the Tools section in the upper right hand corner, and we're going to, the Tools is a list of resources and tools you can use online. Under the website management site there's a link called AdSense HTML Converter, and what you're going to do is paste your code in there, and this tool is going to convert it into PHP. It's going to get rid of the less than, the greater than, and the quote symbols. You're going to then copy that edited AdSense code, go back to your Blogger. You're going to edit the HTML for your template. It's very important that you check this box that says Expand Widget Templates, and then you're going to find post-header. You're going to find the first instance of that, and you're going to copy, you're going to see two div tags, and you're going to paste your AdSense code in between those two div tags, the post header line 1 and the post body content. When you paste that, you can hit Save Template. You can then view your blog, and you'll see where it has inserted the box. Now the ads don't always show up, sometimes it takes 10-15 minutes, but eventually that's what you see. So now you've got two ad blocks, one on the left, one on the top, exactly where the heat map says they should be in your Blogger blog. Now you just add lots of posts, get traffic there so people can click on your relevant ads, and you can make money, and it didn't cost you a thing. If you want more information, you can always go to howtomakeonlinemoney.com with dashes in between, and there's a step-by-step tutorial that'll walk you through this with all the information you need. Thanks.